What are the ethical considerations when conducting educational research? Have you ever wondered what it takes to conduct educational research ethically? As teachers, understanding these considerations is essential for maintaining trust and respect in our classrooms. Let's break down the key principles that guide ethical research practices. First, respect for autonomy is vital. This means that participants should be fully informed about the research and voluntarily decide to participate. It is important to obtain informed consent from students, parents, and other stakeholders. Clear communication about the purpose and procedures of the study is key to this process. Next, we have privacy and confidentiality. As educators, we must protect sensitive information collected during our research. This includes ensuring that personal data remains confidential and is used solely for research purposes. Always be mindful of how you collect, store, and utilize student information. Equity and fairness are also fundamental. Researchers should ensure that their studies do not reinforce existing inequalities. Treating all participants fairly, regardless of their background, is essential. This means being aware of any biases that could influence the research outcomes. Minimizing harm is another critical consideration. It is important to balance the potential benefits of your research with the risks to participants. The goal is to maximize the positive effects while reducing any potential negative impacts on those involved. When conducting research in your classroom, informed consent is a must. Make sure students and parents understand what participation involves and how the data will be used. Transparency is key here. Data protection is also crucial. Keep sensitive information secure and confidential. This not only protects your students but also builds trust with parents and the community. Fair treatment of participants is essential. Always treat everyone with respect and dignity. Avoid practices that might unfairly advantage or disadvantage certain groups. When you engage in action research, consider how your reflections might affect others, including colleagues and students. Ensure that your reflections are respectful and do not harm anyone involved. In many educational institutions, institutional review boards review research proposals to ensure ethical standards are met. As a teacher, it is important to be aware of these processes and comply with any ethical review requirements. By understanding and applying these ethical principles, teachers can conduct research that contributes positively to educational practices. This approach respects the rights and dignity of all participants, ensuring a supportive and trustworthy environment in our classrooms.